Today we are going to continue on the same practice set, that is 17, and in that we are going to learn question number 2. Now question number 2 is the measure of some angle are given below. Now see here, some measures are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angle. Now by looking this measure, you have to make a pairs. Pairs में जोड़ी बनाना है आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल का भी और सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल का भी. नाउ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल मीन्स इट इज हाउ मच डिग्री? Yes, complementary angle means it must be 90 degree and supplementary angle means how much degree? Yes, supplementary angle means it should be 180 degree. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एंगल्स दिए हैं, आपको दो एंगल्स को प्लस करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट विच वन इज अवर सप्लीमेंट्री or which one is our complementary. I'll just read first question. Measurement angle B equal to 60 degree. Measurement angle N equal to 30 degree. Measurement angle Y equal to 90 degree. Measurement angle J equal to 150 degree. Measurement angle D equal to 75 degree. Measurement angle E equal to 0 degree. Measurement angle F equal to 15 degree and last it is given measurement angle G equal to 120 degree. Now ये सारे जो angles के measure है, from that you have to pick two angles and after adding that angle, what is the addition answer? Is it 90 degree or is it 180 degree? So if it 90 degree came, so you have to mention that this angle are complementary angle or angle whatever if we add, these are a supplementary angle. So let us see first. See here, first it is given measurement angle B is 60 degree and measurement angle N is 30 degree. See here, this first we will see this first two angle. Angle B and angle N. एंगल बी कितना है 60 डिग्री दिया है और एंगल एन कितना दिया है 30 डिग्री. सो इफ वी ऐड 60 and 30, if we add 60 and 30, it become 90 degree. 90 degree means it is which type of angle? It is a pair of complementary angles. So what you have to write it down? Therefore, angle B and angle N are a pair of complementary angle. Are a pair of complementary angle. Clear? आपको दो एंगल कोई भी लेने हैं. You can take any angle. You can take any angle measure and another angle. If it is adding and getting 90 degree, so it is a pair of complementary angle. And if it is adding and getting 180 degree, so it will be a supplementary angle. Now I have taken angle Y and angle E. See, angle E. Because measurement angle Y is 90 degree and measurement angle E is 0 degree. If we add 90 and 0, it will be only 90. So, angle Y and angle E are a pair of complementary angle. Angle Y and angle E. अगर if I take angle Y, अगर मैं angle Y लेती and angle N लेती, तो 90 plus 30 will be, suppose if I take 90 and 30, 90 plus 30 will be, yes, 90 plus 30 will be 120. Now 120 is a complementary angle or a supplementary angle? Bolo, 120 is any type of angle, complementary or supplementary? No. So that's why what you have to think it and you have to take one angle by adding another, it will be of 90 or 180. Is it clear? So आपको सोचना है कि आपको कौन से angles लेने हैं. Clear? Now if I take For example, another example, if I take angle Y and angle B. Now Y is 90 and B is 60. Now 90 plus 60. 90 plus 60 is how much? 90 plus 60 is 150. Now 150 is our angle, complementary or supplementary? No, that means this also we are not going to take. So think it properly and take a proper number or proper angle. By adding it become 90 or 180. So that's why I have taken measurement angle Y and measurement angle E. मेजरमेंट एंगल y कितना था 90 और e कितना था 0. So 90 plus 0 will become 90 degree only. So that's why measurement angle y plus measurement angle e are a pair of complementary angle. Okay, now we'll see next one. Now next one, what I have taken angle D. Angle D कितना है 75 degree and angle F is 15 degree. Now angle D plus angle F is equal to 75 degree plus 15 degree. So by adding 75 and 15, what we got? We got 90. So that means 90 is also a pair of, that is also a complementary angle. So angle D and angle F are a pair of complementary angle. पहला मैंने सब complementary angle बनाया है. Then afterward I jump into the supplementary angle. Clear? आप पहला सारे complementary angle बनाओ and then make a supplementary angle. Now next is what? Next number, what I have taken angle B. Now angle B is how much? 60 degree. And angle G. Angle G is how much? 20 degree. Now angle B plus angle G is 60 degree plus 120 degree. Now 60 plus 120 will become 180. Now 180 aaya, that means it is a pair of supplementary angle. It is a pair of supplementary angle. So what you will write? Therefore, angle B and angle G are pair of supplementary angle. Clear? Now, one is remaining. Now, you are going to tell me that one. चलो अभी और क्या बनता है supplementary angle? You are going to tell me the pair of the supplementary angle. Which angle I should take so it become a supplementary angle? Now it's your turn. Okay, angle N plus angle J. Very good. Angle N plus angle J. This is also a type of supplementary angle. देखो angle N कितना है 30. Angle J कितना है 150. Now 30 plus 150 will become 180. That means angle N plus angle G equal to 30 plus 150 is equal to 180 degree, and it is a pair of supplementary angle. Now any other angle is there? चलो अभी हमने ये तो निकाला, और कुछ बन सकता है कि पेयर? देखो सर्च करो, और कुछ सर्च करके मिल सकता है क्या? और कुछ ऐड करके you will get supplementary angle. Yes, search it. Okay, you are not going to get any other angle by searching also. Very good. That means total how many answer we got? 120 plus 60. 120 is there? 120 plus 60. See, 120 plus 60 will become 180. That means angle G and angle B is also having 180 degree. Clear? और बहुत सारे भी हमको find out होते हैं. Clear? That is angle G is 120 degree and angle B is 60 degree. मगर वो already मैंने किया है, वापस से क्यों करना है मुझे? I ask you any other sums, any other pair is there of supplementary? No. Okay, that means total there were how many pair we made? 5 pair we have made. 3 for complementary and 2 for supplementary. Okay, now copy down in your notebook or in your workbook if these sums are available. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, now the third question is in triangle XYZ. In triangle XYZ, measurement angle Y. Measurement angle Y कितना बोला है? 90 degree. What kind of pair do angle X and angle Z make? Now you have to find out कि angle X and angle Z ये कौन से kind का pair से, which kind, is it complementary or is it a supplementary? Clear? Angles measure, Y angle measure is given. They have asked you that which kind of pairs do angle X and angle Z make. Now what is given? First we will write that. That is, it is given that in triangle X. Okay, in solution, what you have to do, it is given that angle Y is 90 degree, but we don't know that angle X and angle Z measure. So we will write that in triangle XYZ, measurement angle X plus measurement angle Y plus measurement angle Z is equal to 180 degree, because the sum of the measure of a triangle, this is already we have learned in our previous class. That means the sum of the measure, जब तीनों एंगल के measures कितने होने चाहिए? 180 degree. So that's why in bracket what you have to write it down, sum of the measure of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. It is the rule. That means the three angle measure is 180 degree. So यहाँ पे तीन एंगल क्या है? एक एंगल X है, एक Y है और एक Z है. So we will write measurement angle X plus measurement angle Y plus measurement angle Z equal to 180 degree. Now here Y का measure दिया है, so we'll put the measure of the value of the Y, and X and Z we will take as it is. So next line what I have written? I have written that measurement angle X plus Y का कितना measure दिया है? Y it is given 90 degree plus 90 degree plus measurement angle Z equal to 180 degree. जो दिया था वही हमने लिखा है. Values of Y is given, so we have written value of Y. Now next what you have to do, now plus 90, that should be subtracted from X also, that should be subtracted from Z also. How? See, no, what you have to do, plus 90 is there. According to our previous sums, plus 90 is there with the alphabet, that plus 90 will be of minus 90. So it will be written as subtracting 90 from both the sides. So measurement angle X plus 90 plus measurement angle Z equal to plus measurement angle Z minus 90 is equal to 180 degree minus 90. 90 minus कैसा हुआ? Because it was plus 90. According to our finding of complementary and supplementary angle, we have to write down both the side, that is 90. So subtracting 90 from both the sides. Now if we subtract 90 from both the sides, what we are getting? See, plus 90 minus 90 will be gone. because plus minus will become minus, 90 minus 90 will become 0. तो बचा क्या यहाँ पे, मेजरमेंट एंगल x प्लस मेजरमेंट एंगल z इक्वल टू, ना 180 डिग्री में से 90 गया तो हाउ मच इट विल बिकम, इट विल बिकम 90 ओनली. दैट मीन्स दोनों एंगल का मेजर 90 है, सो इट इज अ पेयर ऑफ complementary angle. 90 degree आया, that means it is a pair of complementary angle. So angle x and angle z make a pair of complementary. Okay, now our next question is question number 4. The difference between the measure of the two angle of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measure of the two angle. Now here the difference between the measure of the two angle of a complementary pair is 40 डिग्री. देखो यहाँ पे क्या बोला, डिफरेंस मीन दोनों में से जो डिफरेंस है माइनस करके हुआ है दो एंगल का, वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री पेयर का कितना है, 40. फाइंड द मेजर ऑफ टू एंगल. अभी हमको फाइंड आउट करना है कि एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज द मेजर ऑफ दैट टू एंगल. दो एंगल के मेजर फाइंड आउट करने हैं, दोनों एंगल का डिफरेंस कितना बोला है, 40 डिग्री बोला है. नाउ व्हाट विल बी अवर फर्स्ट स्टेप. सी अकॉर्डिंग टू अस, we don't know the angle measure, we don't know the angle measure, that is it is x degree. Let the measure of one angle be x degree. We will assume कि एक एंगल का मेजर कितना होगा, x डिग्री. तो अनदर एंगल का मेजर कितना होगा, x प्लस 40, बिकॉज डिफरेंस इट इज गिवन 40. Difference it is given 40. So what will be there? What will be there? Let the measure of one angle be x degree. Therefore, measure of another angle, we don't know measure, so we will assume x plus 40 degree. Now x plus 40 equal to 90, because it is shown that it is a complementary angle. क्वेश्चन में ही बोला है वो क्या है, वो complementary angle है. So what you will do, you will write x one angle plus another angle क्या है, x plus 40 degree equal to 90 degree. 90 degree why I have written, because it is shown in the question that दोनों एंगल कितना है, दोनों एंगल इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. दैट्स व्हाई इन ब्रैकेट यू विल राइट since the two angle are complementary angles, since the two angle are complementary angle. Now next step what you are going to do. Now see, it is given x plus 40. Now x plus 40. See how you have to do this step. Now x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, x से. x multiply by x will become 2x. x multiply by x will become 2x. If it is plus, we will write plus only. Then x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 40 से. No, we have to multiply only x by x only. So x into x will become x, and x multiply by 40. X multiply by 40 will become 40 only. So here 2x plus 40. See here 2x, x plus x will become 2x plus 40. Then minus 40, क्योंकि x के साथ में क्या है 40, so that will be minus 40 equal to 90 minus 40. ब्रैकेट में हमको लिखना है subtracting 40 from both sides, subtracting 40 from both sides. So 2x will be here only, plus 40 minus 40 will become 0. 90 minus 40 will become 50. 90 minus 40 will become 50. Now x को यहाँ पे ही रखना है, equal to 50. This 2 is multiplication. Is it come down? It will become division. 2x equal to 50 as we got. x को हमको left side में ही रखना है. x equal to 50. Then this 2 will go there. It will become division. So what you have to do? You have to divide 2 by 50. Now 2 2s are 4. Minus 5 minus 4 will become 1 and 0 as it is. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 0 0. So what is the value of x? What we got? We got the value of x, that is 25. 25 क्या है हमारा value of x. Now here we have assumed that the one angle is x degree. So x degree means which angle? Our one angle. First angle we got as x degree. Now what will be our second angle? Because it is said that the measure of the second angle is x plus 40. Now we got x as 25. So x plus 40 means what? X is what? 25 plus 40. 25 plus 40 will become 65. So what is the measure of two angle? The measure of two angle is 25 degree and 65 degree. 25 degree and 65 degree.